him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what subscriber's choice is exactly. So I started this back in April, I think was the first build, and this is the card that I built for that, and this is what I call the murdered turd, because someone challenged me and I put it up in the voting and you guys voted for this one. So I built this car, and what I decided to do, and apparently my flashlight's not working right now. So let's shed some light on this. I murdered it with candy. So if you look, like in the shadow, it's black, and when you put it under intense light, the purple pops out. Okay. The second one I did is this Mustang with Samed wheels. Just totally chromed out all the trim on the car, blacked out or silvered, grayed the grill inside, detailed the taillights, blacked out the rear end or the tail panel, and then the Montezuma. So I had things going on. I was putting way too much time into this. It was stressing me out. I took a vacation from work, and halfway through the week I realized that I needed another week off, and 1 week wasn't going to be enough, and I knew I wasn't going to get another week. Thankfully, before I got back to work, it calmed down, but that next week I was just like, I need a break from this, and my glasses broke. I have to wear bifocals so I can see things up close. My bifocals broke. I didn't have them. So I missed the first Diecast International Builders build. Got back into it a couple months later, slowly started getting back into it. Did the Montezuma, and now we've done the GTO. So, trying to get back up. So this was April, May, June, July. August is still up for voting. You can vote for one of the 3 cars that you would like to see me build for the month of August, and then I'll put up another video when I reveal that one and put another car into the mix. So in January, what am I doing with these cars? Okay. In January of next year, I'm going to give them all away. So I think there's going to be 8 or 9 cars this year. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 9 cars. 9 cars this year that I'm going to give away in January of 2022. Okay. So this is all for you guys, kind of a way for you guys to be interactive with the channel, and I can get back to you guys. I thought about giving one away every month. But I was like, you know what? I was thinking longer term. So that's what subscriber's choice is. So if you haven't checked it out, go on over and click on the vote now, the latest vote now video, and the car that gets the most votes is the one that I'll build. So go on over and check it out and vote for the car that you want me to build. I think we still have the old Dodge Charger that's in for the voting. We got the T-Bird with no wheels, and this month I added in the F100 for the voting. So go vote for the car that you would like me to build. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. click the like button, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.